Okay, okay, 2077. So I think I did alright against the IMs. I had chances, a lot of chances to blow in time pressure or whatever. Oh dear, what a morning. Oh man. Anyway, no, it's all good, it's all good. So, please can I beat this bunny to get over 2200? This bunny, when I say bunny, I mean relatively to my rating. No bunny offence meant there. Okay, dragon, enter the dragon. Alright, we'll go through this routine. He's going to take here. I'll sack the exchanger there maybe. I'll play g4 and bishop h6. Not bishop h6 immediately, that'd be bad. But here is knight e4 on, maybe knight b3 first. Otherwise knight e4 and then rook d4 would be embarrassing. Let's play like bishop h6 soon. Actually, maybe knight f5 like the previous game. What was wrong with knight f5? I can play actually g5 here for knight d5. That looks tempting because he's put his queen there. I don't know if this is all wrong, but it looks tempting. Let's play knight d5. Queen goes back to e7. Right, now I can just get more time for the attack. I just sacrifice. Mind you, without the light square bishop, maybe it's not that effective. Or it could be effective nevertheless. Can I use my queen as a light square bishop? If I take and then queen h2 though, he's got immediate problems with this. If he plays e6, there's knight f4 to h5. I've slowed down his I mean, he's lost time with this queen c7. Is it critical enough? If he takes on g5, knight h5, I think that's acceptable to allow g pawn to actually be taken here. Unless he's got queen f, he's got queen e5. I can take on g7. Oh dear, pain today. I don't know how you guys deal with pain if you're in tournaments. Maybe it's better than me, I don't know. If I take on g7 here, it's only 5 minutes anyway. I can win the exchange with bishop d4. Or I can do something else. Is it worth winning back the exchange here? It'll be a pawn down. I can play check to win back the exchange, that's more stylish. So I can play queen h6 afterwards to take on h7. Was there anything better? Queen g2, rook g8. No, hang on. King there. Isn't it just queen g2? If king g8, it's queen g2. Which means probably winning the rook here. This might actually be my first bit of luck this morning. He's resigned back over 2200. Oh dear. Oh, I still feel sick as a parrot. That's another expression, sick as a parrot, from previous games this morning. No! How could I do that? Anyway, yeah, back over 2200. That seems strange, this game. Okay, he was threatening queen b2. I extinguished that, but not only that, bishop h6 is extremely strong here because of queen g2 of king g8. Comments or questions on YouTube? Let that be a warning to you. You can't play the Sicilian dragon unless you know what you're doing. Thanks very much.